That's in the rough. Now this next one's not for the faint-hearted. That ball's come to rest nicely on the fairway. Oh, that's a splendid shot. If only shots from the rough could be as good as that. Well, that's a beautiful shot onto the green. You can see from this lovely camera shot that the next shot is fairly straightforward. Well, the applause from the crowd is well deserved after that outstanding performance. Phil Mickelson has finished this hole 1 under par.